Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cure the hiccups. So basically, you need to just get a nice white glass, just like this. If you don't have any glasses like this, just use a normal glass, but as big as this. Pour your water halfway, and don't drink it like you normally do. Don't drink it like this, because that's not going to help. But what is going to help is that this is where you normally drink. This is where you don't normally drink, or maybe you do, I don't know. But you're gonna go like this, tilt your head forward like this, and then drink. Okay? So like this. And that's how you cure the hiccups. So I hope that helped you. Bye!